I'm scared. Oh, I don't know. Oh. Hey, it's me, and I am as natural as it gets right now. Okay. I just got up bright and early for y'all, for all my friends out there, so I can try this fall makeup look by Jesse Rae. I'm not as girly as most girls, so I don't normally do all the makeup-y type stuff. So anyway, today I thought I'm gonna expand, broaden my horizons, and try to do something a little more out of my comfort zone. Because I'm not a makeup connoisseur, I don't spend money. So these are from like the hair store or like Walgreens. Like I did go off on a limb and buy this palette from the hair store, which has a lot more different variety of colors. And then one day when I was feeling spontaneous, I got this palette from Milani. I'm gonna be trying this fall halo look by Jesse Rae. I don't really know what a halo look entails, like what defines a halo look. It looks like Jesse Rae starts her face with eyes. So I'm going to prime. I'm using this primer by Fenty Beauty. The things that I did spend a lot of money on was like foundation. So I didn't want to look like a completely different person. So I went to Sephora and I said, hey, can you just make sure that this foundation looks exactly like my skin tone? Jesse Rae is using Nubian 2 by Juvia's. So we're gonna see what I can find on this palette. She uses, for like a transition-y kind of color, she uses a light orangey kind of color. And the only thing I see that kind of matches is this. And then she uses a darker purple. I think I'm going to go with this one though, because this is a lot more pigmented. And then she uses a copperish. That's a bright copper. I don't really have a bright sparkle like that. I might choose this one. And I'm jealous of her because she's got a lot of lid space, so she got a lot of wiggle room. Look at my eyes. Look what happens when I close my eyes. Look what happens when I open my eyes. So all the makeup space that would have gone on top of my eyelid disappears because my eyes are hooded, which is why a lot of people think I'm like Blasian, which I'm not. Anyway, when I do this, I'm gonna have to put it higher. I'm goofy, y'all. I just woke up, okay? I'm doing this bright and early for y'all. I just woke up. Let me get my life together. I just, oh, my booty blender. I almost always forget to wet these. Almost always. Anyway. Hello, how you doing? Good morning. So she starts off with the darker purple color, and she starts with the corner of her eye and kind of works it / blends it towards the middle. Oh man, she kind of works it on both sides. I think I ran out of room, y'all. Oh, I don't know. Hers looks so much more pigmented. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. She put that orangey color on top of the purple color. I ain't got much room. Well, let me see what I can do. I'm scared. Okay. I really don't see it. I put the purple so far up that I can't see it. Let me see if I can pack it on a little bit more. No, sir. No, sir. So, I just came from Walgreens, and I think I found a good palette for this look. The palette I found was $18. I think that's the most I've ever spent on a palette. Okay. I'm back. My beauty blender is moist. My concealer is on my eyes. We're gonna try this look again. I got me my Milani brownish eyeliner because I know that she uses it and I didn't have one. And I found the orangish color in this NYC palette. See, on camera it looks pink, but in real life this looks more like an orange, like a creamy orange. I think I have a game plan now, so I think things won't be as messed up as they were before. I do my eyeshadow with my eye majorly open because I want to see exactly how much it's gonna show when my eye is open. And I'm trying to keep it upwards so my eyes don't look droopy. Another thing with my eyes is I gotta be careful going too far in because then it starts to kind of look like that. Like the way my eyes are set up. Girl. Anyway, this is what it looks like so far. I think I'm gonna use this and kind of this tool thing and kind of pat it on the middle. I think I'm gonna go with this color. And then if I need to go a little darker, I'll go darker. Girl. Yo. First of all, I'm excited because this is something I have never would have done like on my own. I'm shook. I'll put a little bit more on this pat brush, like I call it. Just look at this angle right here. Girl, listen. Like, do you not see that? Are y'all seeing this? I'm gonna work on some of these edges because they're like uneven. So what I'm gonna go through is go back to these colors, try to even it out, and then get to finishing my face. Okay, so, okay, I'm excited, y'all, I'm excited. Okay, I'll be back. Look, you can only see it when I took my head back. Going, hello. Going, hello. Okay, so I like this a lot better. Now, what she does is she goes in with this dark brown eyeliner. I don't like to touch my eyes. Hers just looks a little bit more crisp. I'm afraid to like go in and try to fix it because what if it's okay and I'm just tripping? Maybe I can just hit the very edge. I'm feeling it now. Okay. I think I fixed it. It's not as thin and clean as hers. But look, I'm still a beginner, y'all. I don't know what y'all was expecting when you clicked on this video. This is called Nay Tries, not Nay Knows, okay? So I guess I'm gonna go in and complete the rest of this look. Eyebrows, foundation, contour, highlights, all of that. And I'll get back and talk to y'all later. look. So this is a halo look, huh? Is it the shininess in the middle that does it? Is it the way the light hits? Before you judge, let me get out of this lighting, because this lighting don't do it justice, and let me go take you outside. Let me do this. Ooh! Okay, so my camera died. What do you all think? You think I killed it? I think I killed it. And I think she did a great job with her tutorial so that I could kill it. Go watch her video and see what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun YouTube stuff. Tell me how I did. Leave a comment down below. If you're interested in the music, check out Koji. Used to be AMKG, but now it's Koji. Check out his music. All the links are in the description. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to be open-minded and free-spirited when you try these things, because that's the only way I would have ever tried multiple colors or these specific colors together, you know. But yeah, I think it looks good. So, bye friends.